Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you all?
I am well, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good
Very good morning,
morning.
ma'am. All good. What's about you, ma'am?
I'm good too. Thank you so much for asking. तो गाइस, आज का सेशन थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होने वाला है बिकॉज आज हम करने वाले हैं कुछ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक्स। सो आज के सेशन का गोल है दैट यू विल मास्टर दिस स्ट्रक्चर, दैट यू विल हैंडल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट एंड डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक्स वेरी कॉन्फिडेंटली. You will also learn about idea generation tricks for these topic, and we will practice fluency plus expansion, right? And we will work on speaking without long pauses. So I hope that you all will be participating in this session. I will tell you in detail कि abstract topics होते क्या है because this is also related to part 3, right? बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द टॉपिक, किसी को कोई भी डाउट है, क्वेरी है, तो प्लीज जल्दी से पूछ लो. एंड मोहम्मद, योर क्वेरी इज सॉल्व, सो at the end of the session I would like to have a conversation with you, so please stay. Okay, you can have the
Okay, ma'am.
speaking test with us.
Okay, ma'am.
I had a word with the team, they sorted out, so please stay in the session. At the end we will discuss about it. Okay, apart from this, नाउ रिमेंबर वन थिंग. अगर कोई भी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक आ जाता है और आप उसका आंसर अच्छे से प्लान करते हो, यू टॉक अबाउट ऑल द प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, फ्यूचर एंड एग्जाम्पल, दिस विल डेफिनेटली इंक्रीज योर वन बैंड. यस, आपका क्यू कार्ड में एक बैंड जरूर इंक्रीज होगा. So please stay in this session, practice consistently for the cue card. बहुत सिंपल है स्पीकिंग. पार्ट 1 आप सब कर चुके हो, पार्ट 2 ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट. कल मैं मॉक टेस्ट लेने वाली हूँ पार्ट 2 का. सो पार्ट 2 का जब मॉक टेस्ट होगा, दैट मीन्स आई कैन टॉक अबाउट एनी क्यू कार्ड, वो पास्ट बेस्ड हो, पर्सन बेस्ड हो, प्लेस बेस्ड हो, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक हो, कोई भी टॉपिक आ जाए क्यू कार्ड का, you all have to speak about it. And each one of you will speak on a different topic. I will not repeat the topic again, right? सुहाना, हाउ टू मैनेज डिफिकल्ट क्यू कार्ड. मुझे पहले ये बताओ कि डिफिकल्ट क्यू कार्ड होता कौन सा है, बिकॉज आई बिलीव देर इज नो क्यू कार्ड विच इज डिफिकल्ट. सो कौन सा ऐसा क्यू कार्ड है जो आपको डिफिकल्ट लगता है, और क्यू कार्ड्स को मैनेज कैसे करना है, टैकल कैसे करना है, उसकी स्ट्रैटेजी हम सबके पास है, राइट गाइस? वी ऑल नो द स्ट्रैटेजी कि हमें क्यू कार्ड के लिए क्या स्ट्रैटेजी फॉलो करनी है. हिस्ट्री रिलेटेड, क्या हिस्ट्री रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है बताओ मुझे. गुड मॉर्निंग सरबजीत. The ones who are new to the session, they have missed out many classes for speaking part 1, speaking part 2. Please guys rewatch those session. And from Thursday onwards, we will be starting with a part 3. Interesting and unusual buildings in your country. ठीक है, तो आप बताओ आप क्या बात कर सकते हो इसके बारे में. कल हमने अनयूजुअल लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में बात करा था. सो कैन एनीबडी हु कैन टॉक अबाउट अनयूजुअल बिल्डिंग्स इन योर कंट्री? यस एवरीवन, सो वी विल टॉक अबाउट इट. सुहाना, डेफिनेटली आपका ये डाउट हम क्लियर करेंगे ड्यूरिंग द सेशन. ओके ओके, व्हाट अबाउट
Good
अदर्स?
morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग. व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? किसी को कोई और डाउट? टिल द टॉपिक्स वी हैव कवर्ड, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम
No,
in the
ma'am.
cue card? Yes, Anam.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I thought you have some doubts. Okay, so if not, then we will start with our abstract topics. कि abstract topics होते क्या हैं. एंड आपको पता भी नहीं होगा कि आप सब ने ये टॉपिक्स ऑलरेडी करे भी हुए हैं। वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग रोहित, सीरत। अच्छा, किसी को आइडिया है एब्स्ट्रैक्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? एनीवन?
Ma'am,
Yes,
abstract
ma'am.
means without physical touch or appearance, like emotions.
यस, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक्स का मतलब होता है, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट का मतलब ही यही होता है, वो आइडियाज जिन्हें आप देख नहीं सकते, टच नहीं कर सकते। यू कैन जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट, यू कैन फील अबाउट इट, और यू बिलीव। दे आर नॉट फिजिकल थिंग्स, दे आर कॉन्सेप्ट्स। सो जब आप फील करके, थिंक करके किसी टॉपिक के बारे में बात करते हो, नाउ सपोज इफ आई टॉक अबाउट इमोशंस एंड फीलिंग्स, हैप्पीनेस, you feel it. Stress, fear, love, these are all emotions and feelings. Ideas की बात करूं मैं, success, honesty, freedom, discipline, creativity, आपके लाइफ से रिलेटेड कॉन्सेप्ट्स होते हैं, टाइम, लाइफ, चेंज, ये सारे बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। एग्जामिनर आपसे एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक्स के बारे में पूछता है, दे वांट टू चेक कि क्या आप डीपली सोच सकते हो, क्या आप अपने आइडियाज को एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो क्लियरली, क्या आप उन पे एग्जाम्पल्स दे सकते हो। सो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक्स बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। This session is really very important because it is also connected to the part 3. पार्ट 3 में भी आपके एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक्स आते हैं, जब आपको इन डिटेल बहुत ज्यादा ओपिनियटेड आंसर्स, एक्सपैंडेड वर्जन्स, स्पेक्यूलेटेड तरीके से अपने आंसर्स को एक्सपैंड करना पड़ता है इन पार्ट 3। अब स्टूडेंट स्ट्रगल क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि आइडियाज ही नहीं आते, कैसे स्टार्ट करूं, एग्जाम्पल क्या दूं, ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हो जाती है। बट एनी हाउ आपको एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक्स में सोचना पड़ेगा डीपली, कि पास कोई भी टॉपिक आ जाए, स्ट्रैटेजी विल रिमेन द सेम। आपके पास एक प्रो टिप है कि आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ उस स्ट्रक्चर को यूज करना है। कोई भी टॉपिक आ जाए, पास्ट, कब फील किया, क्या फील किया, क्या सोचा था आपने पास्ट में, प्रेजेंट, अब क्या सोचते हो आप। एग्जाम्पल, कोई भी स्टोरी क्रिएट करो, रियल स्टोरी है तो रियल लिखो, रियल बोलो, और अगर फ्यूचर है तो आगे क्या सोचने वाले हो, आगे क्या करने वाले हो। सुहाना, यू कैन रिसीव दिस ऑल योर वीडियो ऑन यूट्यूब। यस, यूट्यूब पे भी आपको सेशन मिलेगा एंड एप्लीकेशन में भी। By the end of today, you will have this session in the application as well as on the YouTube. Okay? तो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक का आंसर आपको एक एक्सपीरियंस की तरह बताना होता है कि आप क्या एक्सपीरियंस करते हो। अगर मैं इमोशंस की बात करूं, सो यू मे गेट अ टॉपिक लाइक डिस्क्राइब अ टाइम व्हेन यू फेल्ट हैप्पी। दिस इज एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक because you're talking about your feelings, you're expressing your emotions here. Describe something that made you feel proud. Again, it is about emotions, feelings. Describe a time when you felt stressed. Describe a situation when you were scared. डरे हुए कब थे? Very good morning, Chanpreet. So you are talking about your emotions, you are talking about your feelings. आप सक्सेस की बात करें, ऑनेस्टी की बात करें, आइडियाज और बिलीव्स की बात करें, डिस्क्राइब एन आइडिया यू बिलीव इन स्ट्रांगली। कैसे एक्सप्लेन करोगे इसे? दीज आर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक्स, कि कोई आइडिया ऐसा जिसमें आप स्ट्रांगली बिलीव करते हो। डिस्क्राइब समथिंग यू थिंक इज इंपॉर्टेंट इन लाइफ। क्या चीज है ऐसी जो आपको लगता है कि आपकी लाइफ में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। So these topic they are different from past, person, place. इन सबसे बहुत अलग है। Describe a value you learn. जैसे होता है ना, describe a skill you learn, describe a value you learn. Then describe something you learned about life. Describe a mistake you made. Describe a challenge you face. Describe a situation that changed you. So you need to think a lot. These topics, they require a lot of thinking. You need to expand here more. Describe a memorable moment. Describe a time when you had to wait. Describe something you want in the future. अब फ्यूचर में क्या चाहिए वो आपको डिस्क्राइब करना है, बट आप पास्ट भी बताओगे उसके बारे में. एज आई टोल्ड यू, अगर आप इन चारों एस्पेक्ट्स में बात करते हो, इट्स अ बैंड बूस्टर फॉर यू. सो प्लीज एक एस्पेक्ट पे हम बात नहीं करेंगे. वी विल टॉक अबाउट ऑल द 4 हियर. क्लियर एवरीवन? यस प्लीज.
Yes, ma'am.
सो सबसे पहले
Yes,
हम
ma'am.
अपना सीक्रेट वही मेथड अप्लाई करेंगे कि पास्ट टॉपिक का ओरिजिन बताओ. कब स्टार्ट हुआ या पहली बार हुआ, कब हुआ. यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट इट. प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन नाउअडेज क्या है, करंटली क्या है, वो आपको बताना है. देन एग्जाम्पल. आप रियल स्टोरी बताते हो, आपको लगता है दैट यू कैन एक्सपैंड इट मोर, आप रियल स्टोरी बताओ. इट्स अ हाई बैंड स्कोर आई वुड से, क्योंकि रियल स्टोरी में आप ज्यादा बोल पाते हो. बट अगर आपने एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करा, यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट इट, यू हैव टू क्रिएट अ स्टोरी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट मी शेयर अ पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस. जो भी कनेक्टर्स, जो भी फ्रेजेस आपको यूज करने हैं, आप वो यूज करो. देन आगे क्या होने वाला है फ्यूचर में. इन द फ्यूचर आई बिलीव सिर्फ आपको क्या याद करना है, पास्ट, प्रेजेंट, एग्जाम्पल एंड फ्यूचर. आपकी फ्लुएंसी मेंटेन रहेगी. इफ यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन दिस, यू विल बी able to speak for the next 2 minutes. Now I'm sharing a cue card and you all have to generate the ideas along with me. Describe something that made you think deeply. Yes. Who will help me out with the ideas?
In the past, when I was in college, my lecturer gave me a project to do. At that time, I felt it is a difficult thing, and I decided to think very deeply and go to the research. And I found the result in many references. I got it.
Yes.
And then
So you're talking.
finally, I found the solution.
So you're talking about presentation, something in the
Project, ma'am. Project
project
experiments.
during your college days.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Then how you can expand? पास में आपने बताया.
Okay. Right now, I can find easily. I gain experience through that incident. Also, it helps me to gain practical experience to where I can go and search for those details easily. And also, one of my friend helped me to search in the libraries very beneath, and I easily find all those information quickly, and I take a quick decision to give a quick response to those projects.
Now good, you talked about a project. ठीक है, आपने एक प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बात करी. दैट्स एन एकेडमिक प्रोजेक्ट. हम उसे एकेडमिक बोल सकते हैं बिकॉज इट इज रिलेटेड टू द स्टडी. सो व्हेन डिड इट हैपन? जब हम पास स्टार्ट करेंगे, आप अपने पास में क्या बता सकते हो? समथिंग दैट मेड मी थिंक डीपली ड्यूरिंग माई कॉलेज डेज वॉज व्हेन आई वॉज वर्किंग ऑन एन इम्पॉर्टेंट एकेडमिक प्रोजेक्ट इन माई फाइनल ईयर, इन माई सेकेंड ईयर. आपने वो डिटेल बताया कि आप एकेडमिक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे थे. It was a group project and it required a lot of research, teamwork, time management. आपने past explain करा project से related. Now what do you think about it? Currently क्या? I feel that that project completely changed the way I think and I approach the problems. क्योंकि आपका question क्या है? Describe something that made you think deeply. right? Because of this project, it made you realize that practical knowledge is as important as theoretical knowledge. I also understood how different perspective can lead to better solutions. फिर आप क्या करोगे, अपना एक्सप्लेनेशन डालोगे यहाँ पर कैसे कि ग्रुप, जो वो ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट था, फॉर इंस्टेंस दैट ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट इनिशियली फेस्ड अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स बिकॉज सबके देयर वाज डिफरेंट आइडियाज, डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस. At one point, we were actually close to missing the deadline. That situation forced us to think deeply about leadership quality, communication, responsibility. And we all decided to take the initiative. We divided the task properly. We encouraged the open discussion, and eventually, we completed the project successfully. And we were also very highly appreciated by our professors. आपने पूरी स्टोरी बता दी, पूरा अपना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस बताया, पास्ट बताया, प्रेजेंट बताया, अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताया. In the future, I plan to apply these lessons in my personal life. I will focus more on the teamwork, effective communication. I will also want to keep learning these things from such experiences so that I can improve professionally. You ended up with the future also. ऐसी चीज जिसकी वजह से you need to think deeply. No, Monica, it is not done yet. Yes, please. Anyone who can talk about this topic, koi aur idea which made you
Yeah.
think deeply? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I want to say something.
Yes, Chanpreet.
Uh, Ma'am, the topic which has made me think deeply about
Not the
the
topic, the idea that made me think
yes,
deep. Hmm.
yes, ma'am. Yeah, the idea which made me think deeply is the reservation system in the education sector.
Mhm.
I first started thinking on this when I saw students around me preparing for the competitive exams,
Hmm.
and some of them had access to the reserved seats,
Hmm.
while the others had to compete in the general category
Hmm.
with much higher cutoffs. And this difference made me question whether the system is completely fair or not.
Right.
On one hand, I understand that this reservation system was introduced to support historically disadvantaged communities and to promote the equality. Many people from the underprivileged villages
Hmm.
um, or backgrounds still face the social and economic challenges.
Hmm.
Uh, without um, without such policies, they might not get equal opportunities.
Hmm.
So, in that sense, I think reservation plays an important role in creating more inclusive society.
Huh, but that is the only reason, that is the thing which made you think deeply. So you can talk
Yes,
about future also. In the future, I would like to stay informed, open-minded about such issues. We should think
yes, ma'am.
critically, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. So yes, you can talk about this also. कोई भी ऐसा topic जिसकी वजह से you need to think deeply about it. So he talked about reservation in the education system, and this is actually the case, है ना? Because during the college days or during the school days, you need to learn about the reservation system. कि हाँ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स होंगे, कुछ एडमिशन पॉलिसीज होंगी, and you have to go through them. So this is complex, I would say. Reservation was actually introduced to promote social equality, but यहाँ पर तो it actually raises a question about कि merit कौन है, right? And there's no equal opportunities for everyone. They need to, even a student with the lower marks, they secure a seat because they have a reservation policy. Okay? Yes. Anybody who can talk about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can I try, ma'am?
Who said first? Yes, ma'am. Vishali?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
So, in the past, the one experience that made me think deeply that about a sustainable lifestyle that people are living in their surroundings. I noticed, I went one village where I noticed people living a simple and friendly lifestyle over there without using any kind of a plastic, and they are living a healthy life over there. That moment I realized it kind of a very unique perception to live a sustainable lifestyle. At the present, whenever I think that experience experience, it become my thought, it become my thought more enhanced, and it completely changed my perception to live a modern lifestyle with a reverse of a sustainable lifestyle. For instance, there is a one village, they are following only sustainable practice in their surroundings. So there is one community called Made by Earth. They majorly built a sustainable housing with the sustainable living aspects. So over there, they made a one different kind of a villages, different kind of a houses with the same thought process. In the future, I definitely wanted to follow the same lifestyle for myself in as well as in my projects.
वेल ट्राइड वैशाली, बट आपने बार बार सस्टेनेबल वर्ड का यूज किया है. ट्राई टू यूज डिफरेंट, लाइक इको फ्रेंडली ऑल्सो, ग्रीन लिविंग ऑल्सो. ठीक है. सो यू कैन यूज डिफरेंट वर्ड्स. एनवायरमेंट फ्रेंडली लाइफस्टाइल ऑल्सो, वो भी आप बोल सकते हो, क्योंकि बार बार भी एक वर्ड को रिपीट मत करो, लाइक इन आफ्टर एवरी 2 सेंटेंस यू आर यूजिंग दिस. Okay, meanwhile, I'm getting some chat messages. Bibek, we are into speaking modules. Speaking module का क्यू कार्ड practice चल रहा है. Soumya, it's your first class. Very warm welcome to our sessions, dear. Speaking module की practice चल रही है for the cue card. Okay? By the end of the session, you will be getting all the details. Okay, so she talked about sustainable lifestyle. Yes, that was a good topic. You can expand your ideas कि कब देखा आपने, क्या देखा. When she visited a village. अब वो village कब गई? You can talk about school days, college days as a part of in your educational trip, या आप अपने family के साथ गए हो. So it was the first experience when it was the first time when she experienced a simple rural lifestyle, where people were actually living with the minimum resources and almost no use of plastic, right? So you need to expand. It actually made me realize that how dependent we have become on plastic. ये आपको बताना है कि आपने क्यों deeply सोचा. Whereas the villagers, they were actually using eco-friendly alternative like cloth bags, है ना. एंड कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, अर्दन यूटेंसिल्स का यूज करते हैं, मिट्टी के बर्तन, रीयूजेबल कंटेनर्स का यूज करते हैं. सो इट एक्चुअली चेंज आवर पर्सपेक्टिव ऑन सस्टेनेबिलिटी, एंड इट ऑल्सो मेड अस कि हम कैसे लाइफस्टाइल को चेंज कर सकते हैं. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is speaking in between? Okay, now let's come to some other topic. Describe an idea you believe in strongly. Yes, who can talk about it? Yes, Sarjeet.
I just have a question,
Mhm.
that is it compulsory that we should have that journal line in the starting of
No,
our cue
not
card?
at all. No general line. We never started with general line because sometimes it
Okay,
looks like a memorized one. So no.
okay.
Yes.
Okay, I'll think about this idea and then I'll talk it later. I
Okay.
didn't
Yes,
think.
Ruxana.
Yes, ma'am.
Describe an idea you believe in strongly. कोई भी ऐसा आइडिया. कौन सा है?
Yeah, I believe that everyone work hard can
Acha,
achieve
wait.
whatever they want.
Just wait for 1 minute. I want ideas from you. हम इसमें क्या क्या बात कर सकते हैं?
हाँ मैम, we
Idea
can
by
talk
coaches like that
Sorry. Yes, Mohammed.
enhance your abilities.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, ideas might be by your teachers and your children that enhance your ability.
So now ideas can be like अभी विशाली ने बोला sustainable living. You can even talk about it. कि we should live simply, we should reduce the waste. So that's an idea you believe in strongly,
Yes.
right?
Even financial stability is always
Yes.
enhance our
Consistency.
future lifestyle.
Yes. Practical knowledge, it is more valuable. कौन सा ऐसा आइडिया जिसमें आप बिलीव करते हो? मेंटल हेल्थ इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट.
Ma'am,
Discipline
education
like
can change a person's life.
Yes, exactly. You can talk about any idea here. You just need to expand. You learn from your mistakes.
Ma'am,
Failures.
if I talk
Ma'am,
about like discipline is the key power of success.
Exactly. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
if we
Aniket,
believe that
definitely. I will come back to you, clear all your doubts by the end of the session, please. Yes. Time is the most valuable resource. You can talk about time. You can talk about discipline. Yes.
we can
excuse me,
talk
ma'am.
about hard work, the
Yes,
idea of
Anam.
hard work.
मैम हम इसमें ऐसे कर सकते हैं ना कि लाइक फर्स्ट पे डायरेक्ट आंसर देना है, देन एक्सप्लेन करना है, देन फिर एग्जांपल देनी है और फिर क्लोजिंग कर देना है.
This is a cue card, Anam. Cue card में we have to speak for 2 minutes.
मैम वही अकॉर्डिंग टू द 2 मिनट्स में हम इस तरह नहीं डिस्कस कर सकते या फिर हम इसे
Yes.
पास्ट फ्यूचर प्रेजेंट की तरह.
अगर आपको लगता है that you have a different strategy in which you can cross 2 minutes or speak for 2 minutes, you can definitely apply it. But there
Yes,
should not
ma'am.
be repetition. There should be expansion of ideas, right? The ideas should be developed.
Okay, done, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes.
मैम अदर मेथड में इंटोनेशन खराब हो जाती है मैम, ये सही है, पास्ट फ्यूचर
Exactly.
प्रेजेंट. यस मैम.
Because what I believe is that if you follow this structure, you do not need a single minute to think about it. You
Yes,
can
ma'am,
just
definitely.
speak instantly. Okay?
मैम
Okay.
Yes, Ikra.
मैम इस पे एजुकेशन के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं?
Exactly. क्या आइडिया है आपका एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड?
मैम कैन आई स्पीक?
Yes, Ikra, please try.
ओके मैम. In the past, I believed that education was only for getting a job. But when I studied zoology for 4 years, my thinking changed. I learned how to observe the world and how to solve problems. My brother always told me that knowledge, it is power that no one can steal. This idea became very strong in my heart during my university days. Nowadays, I believe that education helped me every single day. For instance, even though I am a homemaker, I can manage my home and teach my child in a better way. I know how to use my time and how to stay patient. I believe that an education mother can build a better family and a better society. In the future, I will continue to learn new things. I am going to study abroad to gain more knowledge. I hope that my education will make my future bright. I will always support other women to get an education because it is the best gift for everyone. This idea will stay with me forever.
Great. Well tried, but थोड़े से pauses हैं when you speak. ठीक है, तो वो
Okay,
आपको
ma'am.
फ्लुएंसी पे वर्क करना है. Ikra,
Okay,
please
ma'am.
fluency पे work करो. Idea was good that you talked about education, that you believe that education is really very important or education can transform a person's life. You developed that ideas during your school days,
Okay,
your
ma'am.
college days, when you saw that learning new things is really important in life. And it actually improved your thinking, it actually improved your confidence. At present, you feel that education helps you in everyday life, not just academically, but practically also. It teaches
Okay,
me
ma'am.
how to manage my time, make better decision, understand the world clearly. I also believe that education plays a key role in building a better family
Yes.
environment,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
educated people, they tend to be more aware and more responsible. For example, अब आप बोल सकते हो, earlier I used to waste a lot of time and did not plan my day. But after focusing on my studies, I learned the importance of time management and discipline. I have seen that education opens the doors to opportunities, better opportunities. जैसे कि you talked about studying abroad, building a bright future. इट ऑल्सो, आपने वुमेन वाला पॉइंट बोला था, वुमेन वाले पॉइंट के लिए यू नीड टू just upgrade it. It also helps in empowering others, especially women, by
Yes.
making them independent, confident. ठीक है? So empowering women. In the
Okay,
future, I
ma'am.
want to continue my education and possibly go abroad for higher studies to improve my career प्रोस्पेक्ट्स. जॉब नहीं बोलोगे, जॉब की जगह क्या बोलोगे? करियर प्रोस्पेक्ट.
Career.
ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
हम अपने कुछ जो बेसिक वर्ड्स है, हम उन्हें क्या करेंगे? ट्राई टू रिप्लेस.
Right. Okay,
यस.
ma'am.
क्लियर?
हेलो हेलो
यस
Okay,
शिवम.
ma'am.
मैम, मेरा एग्जाम है नेक्स्ट वीक और मेरे को इतनी अच्छे से तैयारी नहीं है। थोड़ी क्लास वो दो ना टिप्स की, कैसे स्पीकिंग का, बाकी वही है जो मुश्किल है।
शिवम, इट्स not possible to give you our tips in few minutes. अगर ऐसे few minutes की tips से सबके exams clear हो जाते, तो the students who are joining us from last 15 days, they won't be here. ठीक है?
नहीं, मैं
So
कनाडा में हूँ, मेरे को
I know
जीटी का
if
ही देना है, वर्क
you are
परमिट
in
का।
Canada or you are in India, the students are really same, but there it's not possible कि within 2 or 3 minutes you need to stay in the session, you need to attend, you need to listen. ओके, वो भी
या
आप
मैम, बस
प्रैक्टिस है.
पांच बैंड ही चाहिए बस, इससे ज्यादा तो नहीं
सो
चाहिए
5
बाकी।
बैंड चाहिए अगर आपको, तो जस्ट स्टे इन द सेशन फॉर नेक्स्ट 15 minutes. यू विल गेट एन आइडिया दैट हाउ यू नीड टू स्पीक फॉर क्यू कार्ड. ओके.
ओके ओके मैडम, थैंक यू।
यस. सो रुखसाना, यू डिड नॉट गॉट अ चांस टू स्पीक. अभी आपने बोला नहीं.
No, ma'am.
ओके.
I started, but other persons start speaking as well.
जस्ट वेट. ममता, यस, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट फिजिकल हेल्थ के बारे में बोल सकते हो आप.
Ma'am, may I talk?
Just wait, Soumya. There are already students who has raised their hands. Okay, now I am going to give you a different topic. Sarjeet, Ruxana. Okay, first Ruxana.
Yes, ma'am.
Describe a situation where you felt proud of yourself. I hope you can talk
Well,
about it easily.
yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
In the before 3 years, I got an opportunity
Mhm.
to get immigration, free of cost, U.S. immigration.
Mhm.
But although it was free of cost, but it required hard work and strong motivation.
Mhm.
It was a difficult decision for me. Either I can devote myself for that opportunity or not. At the end, I make the decision, so I will go for that opportunity. I did hard work and passed my NCLEX exam because I am working as a nurse.
Mhm.
So nowadays, I am in the process of immigration, waiting for my chance. But I feel very proud upon that great achievement, because even though the American nurses have to appear 3 to 4 times for this exam, and I got uh, good band very first time in the first attempt. And in the future, I would work hard and clear my IELTS exam in good band, and definitely one day I will achieve my dream goal uh, for the American citizen. I would recommend all students, if they got any chance in their life, they must try, not just try hard. They will definitely achieve their goals.
That's good. That's good. You tried. You talked about past also. You talked about present. You gave an example, like you expanded your story. And you talked about future also. That's good. कि एक situation where you felt proud of yourself was about 3 years ago when you started your journey towards working abroad as a nurse. It was not an easy decision because it required a lot of hard work, dedication, and strong motivation. At present, when you look back, it actually it feels that it was a deep sense of pride, satisfaction, because the entire process, it includes the preparation of exams, and immigration was very challenging. However, it made me realize that with determination, consistency, nothing is impossible. For instance, I had to prepare for a difficult nursing exam, which many candidates usually clear after multiple attempts. But I worked extremely hard and managed to achieve good score in my first attempt. Right?
Yes.
Along with that, I continued working as a nurse and handled the process side by side, which was quite stressful also. So, successfully passing the exam and moving forward in my journey made me truly feel proud of my achievement. In the future, I will continue this journey and achieve my goal of settling abroad and building a bright future. This experience, it taught me that work hard always pays off. Right? Good. You just need to expand your vocabulary, otherwise it was good. But work on your fluency. Okay?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Great.
I have vocabulary, but when it's come
When
to
it comes
speak, I
to
don't
speaking,
speak.
yes, you
Yeah.
lost. So that is what comes with practice. When you do a consistent practice, only then.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
No worries. Assaulter, you have an exam after 2 weeks. You did a lot of speaking, but you're facing difficulties to prepare cue card in 1 minute. I'm good in follow up as well in the last question. So please stay in the session, or else you can watch the sessions of cue card in the application and even on the YouTube. Okay, great. Now, next topic, Sarbjeet.
Yes.
Sarbjeet, a question for you. Describe something you learned about life. अब लाइफ से रिलेटेड अगर आपने कुछ लर्न करा है, सो बेसिकली दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइफ लेसन्स. आपने पेशेंस लर्न करा, आपने फेलियर लर्न करा कि फेलियर क्या बताता है, फेलियर टीचर्स सक्सेस. आपने टाइम मैनेजमेंट सीखा, आपने इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ फैमिली सीखा. क्या आपने लाइफ से रिलेटेड लर्न करा? यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट इट. यस.
Okay. I'm going to talk about a time when I really learned about something that is important in my life. It is like how to manage and organize my time at my workplace. Initially, when I started my work as a fresher, I was facing some kind of difficulties to how to manage my work duties properly within that a period of time. That's why I was having issues and
तो बैठ
conflicts
के
with
खुद से
my
पीना
co.
सीखनी है. Hello, please mute yourself when you speak. You are actually interrupting others.
Should I start again?
Yes, definitely you have to. Or in the middle, you can, please.
Okay. Well, I'm going to talk about a time when I learned something important in my life, and it is about that how to manage and organize my tasks properly, especially at my workplace. Initially, when I started my work, I was facing some difficulties to manage my duties in that specific period of time, and that's why I was having some conflicts between my co-workers, and that's why like it is. Um, uh, Lowering my performance as well. After that, my manager really directed me to tell me about the tips that how I can manage my things properly, such as making a list, reminders, or uh, doing a tasks list that would really help me to manage my things properly at a time. After that, I really worked hard on it, and then I was able to do my task that I can complete in that period of amount. Currently, I am the person who can do work even for 2 person at a time and able to manage everything efficiently. With the help of this, my manager really appreciated me and gave me a growth in my career that really helped me to pursue my career as well. In the future, I hope this would really help me to boost my confidence and open multiple uh, doors in the future for my better career.
Good, but there are some pauses in between when you speak. ठीक है, तो इतने लॉन्ग पॉजेस नहीं होने चाहिए. सेल्फ करेक्शन भी है आपका. एंड यू स्टार्टेड विद समथिंग इम्पोर्टेंट. आई लर्न अबाउट लाइफ हैपेंड एट माय वर्क प्लेस व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग दिस. ठीक है, जो भी आपका वर्क जॉब था. सो इन द बिगनिंग यू फेस मेनी डिफिकल्टीज मैनेजिंग योर ड्यूटीज with the limited time. There were multiple responsibilities and sometimes even conflicts with the co-workers due to the workload pressure. But now you believe that time management and proper organization are essential life skills. You realize that without planning, even simple tasks can be stressful. So this lesson, it helped me become more efficient and confident in my work.
Okay. So basically, what's happening, especially whenever I'm speaking cue card, I lost in between. So like I don't know what happened. Like I lose my control in the speaking, especially in the cue cards, and that's why I'm stuck on 6.5 band.
So that is why I have given you this structure. Please practice so that देखो consistent. स्पीकिंग इज समथिंग विच कम्स विद प्रैक्टिस. अब आप एक दिन अगर क्यू कार्ड की प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो उससे नहीं होगा, बट डेफिनेटली सेकेंड डे अगर उसकी प्रैक्टिस करते हो यू विल सी एन इम्प्रूवमेंट. हियर इन द क्लास आई हैव सीन many students who has increased their bands with the practice, and I can name them here, that yes, they have improved from day 1 to day 5. So when you practice, only then you will see a change in your band score, and that I can bet you 100 or you can say 200%. You will definitely see a change, but if you follow the structure. If you do not follow the structure, you will get short of ideas. You will not be able to speak. Yes, Ali, do you want to speak something?
मैम हम किस तरह प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं इसको बेहतर बनाने?
Sorry, Ali, I'm not able to hear you. Can you speak a little loud?
मैम हम किस तरह अपनी इंग्लिश बेहतर बना सकते हैं? क्या क्या हमें प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए डेली की बिना पर?
Ali, I have already given the entire structure of cue card. The actual problem with students, some student, is that they join in the middle of the sessions. And if you join in the middle of the session, then how can I help you out? The students who are attending the class from last 10 days, just look at them. They are from the beginning. It's not easy for me to have the entire session again and then start from the scratch. Right? So please rewatch this session or at least 2 sessions of Q card.
मैम ये रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस हम कहाँ से ले सकते हैं जो पहले सेशन हो गए हैं?
Yes, Ali?
मैम जब पहले सेशन हो चुके हैं, क्लासेस हो गई हैं, वो हम किस तरह ले सकते हैं?
The
मतलब कोई लिंक
classes which
वगैरह है
are
जहाँ से हम
already done, you can watch those classes in the application, और आप YouTube में भी बेबी कोड के चैनल पे जाके प्लेलिस्ट में देख सकते हो. This is batch number 3 going on, जो 16th of April को start हुआ है. So there are 10 classes जो already हो चुकी हैं, तो प्लीज आप उन्हें देख लो. ठीक है? It will help you out. Otherwise it's very difficult for me
ओके
कि मैं आपको अब दोबारा से क्यू कार्ड का day 1 करा, because we are on the day 4 of Q card and tomorrow we have a mock test of Q card.
ओके मैम ओके
Okay, so
थैंक यू
she talked about something that she learned about life, है ना? कि how she was once struggling to complete the task on time and it actually affected the performance also. At that point, my manager guided me, suggested me that I make a clear list of tasks and prioritize them. I started following the method and eventually I improved. Now I can handle my responsibilities smoothly, and sometimes even I can manage the workload of 2 people at one. Right? Yes. Clear? Sarjeet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Great.
Thank you.
Yes. So please, if you want to maintain that fluency, there should be no pauses. Long pauses nahi hone chahiye. You should always expand your ideas. अपने ideas को expand करो. Focus करो that what you can speak next here. कैसे अपने आइडियाज को एक्सपैंड कर सकते हो, कैसे आप आगे इसके बारे में क्या बोल सकते हो. So these are all abstract topics जिसकी आज हमने practice करी है, because these are all connected to the ideas, emotions, feelings, success, happiness, everything. Yes? Good to go everyone? कोई doubt आज के session में? Yes, please.
Ma'am,
No,
may I
ma'am.
talk something?
Yes. Yes, please.
Ma'am, I am a beginner for preparing for my IELTS. So how will we manage the 4 module, or how to cope up with this problem?
Okay, Soumya.
Like I tried only 2 module or 3 module, or all module do it.
When are you planning for exam?
I planning for exam August.
August. You have enough time. So stay with us for all the classes. We have just begun with a new course. This is a new course going on, जिसमें आपकी सिर्फ कुछ classes miss हुई हैं speaking की. ठीक है? Q card का आज आपने एक session करा है. Q card के 3 sessions already हो गए हैं and I believe 5 sessions part 1 के से. तो maybe you have missed out 8 classes. 9th one आज चल रही है. तो आपकी 8-9 क्लासेस ही मिस हुई है. एक बार आप उन्हें वीकेंड में रिवॉच करो. स्टे विद अस फॉर ऑल द क्लासेस. इसके बाद मैं राइटिंग मॉड्यूल कराऊंगी, देन रीडिंग एंड लिसनिंग. अगर आप अगस्त में एग्जाम देना चाहते हो, दिस इज द ओनली क्लासेस फॉर यू विच यू कैन अटेंड फॉर फ्री. वी विल कवर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग हियर. Okay?
Ma'am, is it continue every day?
Yes. The classes are from Monday to Friday, every day 9 a.m. Weekends are for the practice only.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you so
Thank
much,
you.
Anam. Raja Sarai, good morning. How to expand the ideas. इसी का session था and I guess you joined lately, so you're not able to understand. Okay?
Hmm.
So please rewatch that session. If you
Good
join
morning, ma'am.
lately, then it's very difficult for me to help you out.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Now, I want an honest feedback from you all. Did you find today's session helpful? Yes, please.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It's very
Yes,
helpful.
ma'am.
It's
Very
very
helpful.
interesting.
Yes,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
you
Interesting.
may get abstract topics and you need to
Thank you, ma'am.
expand your ideas here. You need to expand your ideas,
Mhm.
develop your ideas, and you need to speak. You need to show your fluency to the examiner that yes, you can speak at a length. कितने मंथ में सारे मॉड्यूल्स हो जाएंगे? At least 2 months. It will take at least 2 months. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
मैम दिस इज शाह. सो मैम जैसे मैं लेंथ पे स्पीक कर पा रहा हूँ, मतलब लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन पे बोलने में कोई इशू नहीं है, बट व्हेन आई प्रैक्टिस ऑन ऐप समटाइम्स द प्रोनाउंसिएशन
Hmm.
is not right as it is seen in the app. That's the issue.
No, application doesn't show you the features of pronunciation, the feedback about it.
Like I answer a question in a spoken in application, and sometimes they see the script like what I have answered the question, and that kind of thing like the pronunciation doesn't get right there.
No, it won't be like this, Shah. But still, if you have any doubt, you can book an exam with us. Just give it a trial so that you know that how your speaking will be.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. But it is that all the the application is designed only on the basis of 4 parameters of your speaking. Your pronunciation, your fluency, your grammatical, your lexical resources, each and everything will be evaluated. Still, you guys want to have a test, you can book a test with us. Okay?
Sure, ma'am. Thank
No worries. Aniket, today is your first class. Let me tell you one thing कि हमारी classes Monday to Friday होती हैं every day 9 AM पर. ठीक है? स्पीकिंग मॉड्यूल चल रहा है अभी. आपकी सिर्फ 8 क्लासेस मिस हुई हैं. आप किसी तरीके से whenever you have time आप उन्हें rewatch करो so that you will be on the track with us. अभी कल हमारा स्पीकिंग क्यू कार्ड, रिमेंबर एवरीवन, कल क्यू कार्ड का मॉक टेस्ट होगा. मॉक टेस्ट के बाद मैं पार्ट 3 कराने वाली हूँ एंड प्लीज डू नॉट मिस आउट पार्ट 3. अगर आपने डे 1 या डे 2 मिस करा पार्ट 3 का, देन अगर आप थर्ड डे आकर मुझे बोलोगे मैम हाउ टू एक्सपैंड द आइडियाज, कैसे आंसर देने हैं पार्ट 3 में, सो सॉरी आई कैन नॉट हेल्प यू आउट. इट्स नॉट इजी. ठीक है? तो प्लीज जब सेशन स्टार्ट हो रहा होता है, कोई टॉपिक स्टार्ट हो रहा होता है, प्लीज स्टे इन दिस सेशन, अटेंड दोस सेशंस. Okay, now you know that we have already covered 3 days of Q card. अगर आज आके कोई न्यू स्टूडेंट मुझे बोलेगा मैम कैसे एक्सपैंड करूँ आइडियाज बिकॉज यू ज्वाइन लेटली और यू ज्वाइन इन द मिडल ऑफ द सेशन, देन इट्स नॉट इजी. ठीक है? अदरवाइज ज्वाइन ऑन द टाइम. व्हेन यू नो दैट क्लास टाइम इज 9 AM, you can at least try by 9:05, not late. Okay?
Ma'am, what's about my query?
Yes, just give me a minute. Johnson, you can rewatch the session on the application, even on the YouTube. आप application को जब open करोगे, classes के section में जाओ, IELTS classes, उसमें speaking module में आपको सारे sessions मिल जाएंगे. Okay? Q card should be strong enough now. I want each one of you to speak tomorrow. And you need to be quick. Either raise your hand jaldi se jaldi so that I can give you a chance. Otherwise, I have to speak that who wants to speak and some people are on the mute and they don't want to speak. तो आपके band scores freeze होंगे. Please don't tell me in the end कि मैम मेरा score नहीं improve हुआ. Score उन्हीं का improve होता है जो practice करते हैं every day. Okay? Clear? So please do not forget to practice using the application. Q card की आज practice करो so that you can all perform well for Q cards tomorrow. Right? किसी का भी exam अगर nearby, the ones who said कि मेरा exam next week है, you can try the baby code visa services. You will have a list of options. You will get a better inquire about it. ओके। एंड प्लीज न्यू स्टूडेंट्स क्लिक कर दो रिमाइंड मी पे, सो दैट यू विल गेट नोटिफाई फॉर द क्लास। जब भी क्लास स्टार्ट होगी 9 o'clock, आपके पास एक नोटिफिकेशन आएगा और आप क्लास को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, इससे आपकी क्लास मिस नहीं होगी। एंड ट्राई टू टेल इट टू योर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो, जिनको भी क्लासेस ज्वाइन करनी है, ताकि वो टाइमली ज्वाइन करें। आधा कोर्स स्टार्ट हो जाता है और फिर आप उन्हें बताओगे और फिर वो ज्वाइन करोगे, देन इट्स अ लॉस। ठीक है, अनफॉर्चुनेटली उन्हें क्या करना पड़ेगा, वीडियो सेशंस देखने पड़ेंगे, लाइव क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर पाएंगे। सो इट्स बेटर टेल देम टाइमली कि क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो गई है एंड दे शुड अटेंड इट। ओके।
What is that baby code visa services?
Visa services is like you want to apply for any visa. अब आपको अगर एग्जाम देना है तो एग्जाम के बाद यू नीड टू हैव ऑल दो सर्विसेज। तो एप्लीकेशन में एक सेक्शन है वीजा सर्विसेज का, जहां पे आप अपने डाउट्स, अपनी क्वेरीज, आपको कौन सी कंट्री जाना है, कौन सा कोर्स सिलेक्ट करना है, सब चीज कंसल्ट कर सकते हो। ओके, क्लियर एवरीवन? यस प्लीज।
Ma'am,
यस इकरा।
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, if we prepare for reading, listening, and writing from the Baby Code website, then we don't need to do it from anywhere else.
No, not at all. Not at all.
Okay.
Just ask the students who are already practicing since months. Mohammed, Kushal, Mauricio, they are the older students.
Okay, ma'am.
Just because they do not schedule their exam, that's why they are attending the classes. They are attending this course again. Chanpreet also. They were
Ma'am,
there in
how
the
to
last course. They are
memorize
attending the
vocab?
classes right now also because they did not schedule. अभी मोहम्मद का एग्जाम तो 7th of May को है, right?
Okay,
So you
ma'am.
need not to go anywhere. Application में आपको हर चीज अवेलेबल है. You just need to explore the application. आप रीडिंग का टेस्ट पेपर बेस्ड दो, सीबीटी दो, दोनों अवेलेबल है. लिसनिंग टेस्ट अवेलेबल है, आपको सीबीटी देना है, पेपर बेस्ड देना है, वो भी अवेलेबल है. राइटिंग के टास्क 1, टास्क 2,
Yes,
जीटीओ,
ma'am.
एकेडमिको, सब कुछ अवेलेबल.
Okay, ma'am.
आपको वोकैबुलरी, फ्रेजल वर्ब्स, ईडीएम्स, कॉलोकेशंस, सब चीज गिवन है. इवन बुक्स आर अवेलेबल. रीडिंग के बुक्स, राइटिंग के बुक्स, स्पीकिंग की बुक्स भी अवेलेबल है. अगर आप शॉप सेक्शन में जाकर देखो तो यू जस्ट नीड टू एक्सप्लोर द एप्लीकेशन.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, basically, I am from Pakistan, so
प्रिंस,
that's why I am
आज का
asking.
जो टॉपिक है, आज की क्लास है, वो आज अपलोड होगी बाय द एंड ऑफ टुडे, मे बी बाय द आफ्टरनून 1 or 2 o'clock. ओके, सो आज का टॉपिक अब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक्स थे, तो आप उसी के थ्रू देख सकते हो अपने सेशन को. So see you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care and please practice for Q card. We have a mock test tomorrow for Q card.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.